Vanna.
Vanna.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Alright, so today we're going to make some sous vide meatballs for a meatball sub. Alright, we've got 1 pound of lean ground beef and 1 pound of just ground pork, not seasoned or anything. We've got some garlic powder, some oregano, a little bit of this Pampered Chef. It's a bell pepper herb rub. It's pretty good stuff. A little bit of the traditional breadcrumbs here. A little bit of pepper, some pink salt. This is Himalayan. It's not the curing salt. It's just Himalayan pink salt. And some of this stuff here we've got, which is from Gibson Meats. It's a local meat company here that just sells this stuff. And it's got some garlic, some salt and pepper as well. It's pretty good stuff. Just a pinch of this. Almost forgot, we need an egg. Put the meat in the bowl. Add just a little bit of some seasoning to it. We don't have exact ingredients on this stuff. We just kind of do it to taste. A little garlic, a little bit of oregano, some of that Pampered Chef seasoning there with the bell pepper. That's really good stuff. If you know any local Pampered Chef dealers, I guess you'd call them, it's well worth it. A little pepper, and time to just mix it up. Alright, we're going to add just a little bit more breadcrumb to this. 1.5 to 2 inch. Pack them pretty tight too. And the next step, seal them up. Okay, so they look a little bit squished together, but that's okay. It's not going to hurt anything. When you pull these out of the package, they'll separate perfectly, and we'll get these things seared up and in with some sauce. So we're going to put these in the fridge for a few hours, like 2 to 3 hours. Let them sort of marinate a little bit with all the seasoning, and get these in the bucket. All right, we've got the sous vide machine turned on to 136, and our meatballs are going to go in for 1 hour at 136 with the Anova machine. So let's get them in. Okay, so 136 for 1 hour, and sear them up when we're done. All right, we're going to grate up some Asiago cheese for toasting our rolls that we got for making the subs. All right, these are done. Turn them off. And pull them out. Now, you can pat these dry if you want, but I'm just going to pull them out of here, put them right in the pan. They turned out really nice. Brown them up a little bit. Alright, so we're going to add some Newman sauce to this. Kind of roll those around in there, get them nice and coated. Then what you can do is, after the sauce is warmed up, is just take these and cut them in half. They're going to fit a lot nicer on the buns like that. Flip these over and get the cut side marinated too. So that's what that looks like on the inside there. Take some of these meatballs here, cut in half. Stack them on here. You can of course ladle on some sauce if you want. And there we have it. Let's see how this thing tastes. Alright, gonna see how this thing tastes. That's really good. That's really good. Kind of messy, but super good. You guys gotta try this. That turned out really good. I'm impressed by that. Those meatballs were great. Now, one quick thing. We only cooked those at 136, and that was because we're gonna pan fry them, sear them, roll them around, add the sauce, bring that up to temperature. So I cooked them at 136 because I didn't want to get them overcooked in the sous vide. That way, when we're in the pan, we can bring those up to temperature a little bit and get them right where we want them. Nice and tender, not overcooked, because there was pork in there, and they turned out great. So, not undercooked, not overcooked, just perfect. Got lots of leftovers for lunch, and that was good stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if so, give it a thumbs up and share it, and we'll be back with some more cooking stuff, because we're going to do some more cooking stuff on this channel. It was fun. We'll see you next time.